Barbadian professionals answer 17 questions related to the United Nations 17 Sustainable Development Goals. These case studies reinforce the notion that sustainable buildings represent a viable and increasingly attractive alternative to conventional buildings. The sustainable construction sector needs all participants to be focused on how their work contributes to its sustainable growth and development. These stories should inspire us all to build better.
What we have done, which I encourage other players to do, and where I would like to see more support from the government, is in terms of recycling building waste. A huge amount of waste that goes to our landfill is off of construction sites. Not all of it, but a lot of that waste could be separated, so it could be recycled in some instances, and it just take a lot of pressure off the landfill. So we're the only construction company that tries to do that, where we actually separate our waste. And again, it's a bit of a cost to us now because we need to have different skips for different things, and there's a more complicated process. But I think that's where the industry can improve massively. Where if you had everybody doing that, you may have economies of scale where you could actually recycle, either some sort of plastics or wood or metal locally, because you had enough people separating it and collecting it, and then that could be used to make something that could feed back into the industry.
15 to 20% maybe of the material used on the project might have been local, outside of cement, which is literally a local product. I think for the most part we would have local fabrication. So we would have I would have used Oran, who would have done the windows, and we would have used Structural Systems, who would have done the steel. But we don't literally manufacture or have the byproducts here. We have to assemble them. So wherever that's possible, what also I find, and I try to make sure, is that I use local suppliers wherever that's possible, because that's beneficial to the local economy.